Menteri rang bak kejela ukon rat sang ma kahendru trik ujemang ahajar apoi ulalik benjungo ya ka jaka bhaban chna ya ka oxygen plant hakasnong jingjal ke bahab apo ke West Garo Hills district. Haba krench kilat patai kubor Menteri rang bak kejela ulai itu bai ka ka oxygen plant la amang na kabentaban pendon kami ki Sun district jong ka Garo Hills bai ka West Khasi Hills bu la ongru bai ka oxygen plant enzdang benchna na do la shai kasngi.
Yeah, we have just visited the site where the oxygen cryogenic plant will come up. The site is in Jingjal, and this site will, or this particular plant will curtail to the needs of the 5 districts of Garo Hills, as well as it can also supply to West Khasi Hills. It's a very strategic location, and the work for this will start from tomorrow itself. The order has been given, and there were some requirements for some road connectivity. So the meeting with PWD, health and other departments also just took place, and we have finalized the entire decision and all the necessary instructions have been made. So we're hopeful that this will come up at the earliest, and work should start in a couple of few days.